Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. It's going to be a little bit of tools, a little bit of a project that I've needed to do for a very long time. Uh, my old pickup truck has two horns. One of the horns died, and all I had was it. It was sad. I just tolerated it for a long time. But I'd gone to a salvage yard, cut a horn out of a different pickup truck, similar mounting points. I know I could make it work. It just, with a 25-year-old Wilwell shroud, wasn't too big a fan in the wintertime or even in the spring of trying to muscle that thing around. I didn't want it cracking or breaking. So finally, been hot for most of the summer. I finally decided I was going to take a stab at it. So didn't break it. That's a good thing. So I'm going to play with my Hystronic wire strippers and crimpers. Still like them. Very easy, very comfortable. Crimps really good so far. So if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Welcome to the cave. Old horns. Recycled horns from another Ford truck. Got to splice them in because obviously every single year they change connector ends. So I'm going to put a nice little Hystronic cassette. I'm going to play with it. Just all guesswork. I don't have it measured out. I think I may have went a little long with them. Yep, went too long. Not a bad crimp, decent bite. Nice bite. Hey Ryan, might not be telephone wire, but even down here with these, it's perfect to reach in and snip plugs. Of course, I'm doing all this blind. Got nice gray, bright clouds above my head. So as I'm looking that way, all I see is bright sky. Give it a soft twist. Nope, I don't like that. Still a little long, just a hair.
Maestronica. You have done good with this tool so far. Easy to use. Nice grip. Shrink those in a bit. Next step is, do these make noise?
Hey, welcome back to the cave. So, I made the horn go burp burp. Got it working. No problems. Wheel well shroud stayed intact. Nice locked in, stable. The nuts and bolt assembly was perfect. It's just a little awkward getting up into where they put it to separate leave the mounting bracket intact, but just remove the horns themselves and then secure the new horns in. Secured the wire loom, got it all nice and locked in tidy. The old beast finally has a real horn again. So thanks for everybody that watches, everybody that subscribes. I appreciate everybody that watches. Everybody have a good day. Good luck in the hunt.